Welcome to JH. I first noticed the AEOCKY Max 80 pint because it promises serious power for large spaces, pulling up to 80 pints of water a day under extreme conditions or 52 pints in your average, slightly depressing basement. It is officially one of the few dehumidifiers to earn the most efficient Energy Star 2025 badge, thanks to its smart compressor and hydrophilic coils designed to slash electricity costs. It is essentially the overachiever of the appliance world, aiming to perform elegantly while being shockingly quiet. At around 44 decibels, it is subtle enough for a bedroom, which is perfect if you enjoy sleeping without feeling like you are trapped inside a running jet engine. With intuitive controls and smooth mobility via hidden handles, it is a practical powerhouse for open-plan homes that are currently doubling as indoor rainforests. That said, even this high-tech sponge has its quirks. While it packs a punch in a compact build, those top speeds can produce a noticeable buzz when things get chilly, and the coils have a habit of frosting over and pausing for a nap until the defrost mode kicks in. Then there is the 1.45-gallon bucket. It is helpful, but if you live in a truly damp climate, you will be emptying it so often you might as well list bucket carrier on your resume. There are rare, anecdotal reports of early compressor faults, but with a 96% satisfaction rate, most users are breathing much drier air. Just keep in mind that if you are dealing with extreme coastal humidity, you might want to consider a backup unit unless you are planning to pivot to a lifestyle of professional moss farming.